Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna give you guys a apartment tour. By the time you guys see this, we won't be living here anymore. I didn't film a tour before. I know a lot of people had asked me for one, but for like privacy reasons for my other roommates, because I do not live by myself, I decided to wait on it a little longer. So as you come in, we have this closet where there's literally nothing in here. It's just shoes. Okay, and then you come in here. This is our kitchen area. So here we have some cabinets, our microwave, and then one of my roommates just turned 21. So happy birthday to her. And then we have more cabinets. Over here we have like our cleaning supplies. We have our kitchen, and then I cleaned it, but my roommates kind of cooked something over and I just want to get Chick-fil-A. Here's more cabinets, our sink, cherries, more cabinets. So we usually, what we were doing was dividing cabinets. So Marin and I don't really cook, so we had the smaller cabinets compared to Yaya and Jenny, who do cook pretty often, so they had the bigger ones. On this corner, we never really knew what to do, so we just kind of added the trash can there. Here we have our refrigerator, and then that's basically our kitchen. And then once you come over here, we have our nice living room. Pretty big living room. It's a pretty big space if you guys actually like think about it. I'm never really in the living room. It's really rare when I decide I'm like, oh, I want to sit in the living room, because everybody's just like school, like homeworks, and we just do it in our rooms. So it's just really nice to know that we have this living room space here. And then if you come here, it's our little dining area. Really cute. Before we go in there, I just want to tell you guys the view. I literally love it because you get to see literally everything. You just get to chismear in the living room if you want to, like just see everybody screaming. So you go through this door, and here is our hallway. This is the first restroom. This one's Yaya's and Jenny's. And then you walk towards this way. It's Yaya's and Jenny's room, but we won't show that because it's under construction. And then the farthest room is Marin's and my room. So you walk in. Welcome to our cuartito. So it's low-key like kind of halved. So this is my half. And then here we have my lamp, my bed, my picture frames, and then my sorority Greek letters. And then here we have this super comodo little floating, what is it? Inflatable couch my boyfriend got me. Then I have some like little Chanel. And what's really cool about our room is that we have three actually, technically if you're counting the bathroom one, 3 big windows. So we have this one, and then we have this side. And I love it because from our apartment you can literally see the university. So it's really easy when we go to school, because we wake up, change, go down the elevator, and then just walk like 5 minutes to the school. So then you come here, our restroom, which I also really love because we do have a restroom in our room. So we don't have to like get out of the room, like we just get off the bed and come to the restroom. So it's pretty tiny, it's cute. That's that. I also love, and the shower's on this side. I also love how this one came with a mirror. Like who wouldn't want a mirror? So for the final and favorite place. Also, if it's a little shaky, Elmer's behind the camera and he's wilding with the camera. My favorite part, guys, is our big, you walk in. Let me just tell you one con. The lighting in here is yellow. Yellow. What? It's so ugly. But here is my side of the closet. So my side of the closet is pretty big. I have heels down here, and then like my detergent. I have my dirty laundry, and then I also brought this little cabinet, I don't really know what this is called, with me. And then here we actually divided this space. So I have my clothes here, and then she has her clothes there, jackets, and then I have my hats and my purses. And then right here, it's kind of just my get ready with me area, my perfumes and my glasses. Down here I have all my makeup. Right here too, I can just have everything thrown right here. But yeah, guys, that concludes our apartment tour. I hope you guys liked it. I am super excited. I'm super happy to actually be able to film this because I know a lot of people have been like, I want to see your apartment, like you haven't posted an apartment tour. So I'm just excited and happy for you guys to see this. As you guys saw my apartment tour, that's my little casita for now. I've been living there for about a year now. That's the first place I moved in as soon as I left my parents' house. So that has been my first home away from home. And honestly, I had so many memories here. It's crazy to think that when we moved in here, like the day we got our keys, we didn't know any of each other. I only knew one, Yaya, because I had met her orientation for college. Like that's the reason why I moved in, because she's like, oh, we need another housemate. And I got declined from the housing of the school, which I thank God for. Like God literally knows why, because the housing, I've always heard housing in every college is so horrible. So I'm so grateful I got declined. And then I decided to move in with them. I met Marin and Jenny when we got our keys. And then in my new apartment, because as you guys see, we are gonna leave the apartment. I didn't want to show you guys the apartment before because of privacy reasons towards my housemates. And like I told you guys, by the time you guys see this, I'm no longer gonna be living there because our lease ends and one of the girls is going to leave. So it's just gonna be 3 of us now instead of 4. So that's why we're getting a new apartment. I'm gonna ask the girls if they're okay with me showing an apartment tour of the other apartment. If not, then I'll show you guys after we leave. We end the lease. So I'm super excited, guys. I'm so happy you guys were finally able to see my apartment because I've gotten so many people telling me to do an apartment tour, and I really been wanting to, but I just wanted to respect other people's privacy. I never really asked the girls, but I just like assumed maybe it's not okay. Yeah, I'm really happy you guys finally got to see it. And yeah, guys, so in this apartment, I think I've literally only used the kitchen like a couple times, but my new goal for my next apartment is that I want to learn how to cook. So you guys should send me recipes of cooking or what I should cook, because my mom has a lot of recipes, but if you're Salvadorian, those things be hard as hell. Like she's like, okay, vamos a hacer tamales, le vas a poner un poquitico de esto, and it's like, so like how much? Like, oh, le vas a tantear, and you're like, bro, like I don't know what you mean, ma'am. So I want to learn how to cook. That's one of my new goals for this apartment. I feel like for this one, I just got so lazy because since it's a big tower building, like you have to park outside, like literally outside of the street. Like you have to walk like around 5 minutes to get to the apartment. So that was just so chaotic. Like I hated bringing groceries because you have to walk so much, and then you have to go up the elevator, go to your room, and it was just so much. And then now our new apartment, it's like the parking is in front of the house. I feel like now I'm gonna be more motivated to cook because I can just go to the grocery store, park in front of the house, and get in. Actually, I'm going to film and packing with me, so if you guys want to see that, it's gonna be in the next video. I'm going to be packing to leave the apartment. As of right now, we just got our keys for our other apartment, so we're starting to move things, which that's gonna be in another video. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna say bye to my first apartment. I'm sad but happy because I know it was time. There were some things that weren't working for the rest of us, so I'm just so happy and so grateful that I got to experience this, and to all my friends and to all my friends and family who came to visit me and got to meet the apartment. Thank you so much. It literally means so much to me for you guys to come visit me. But I'm just so happy and so blessed, and I'm just so happy that at the age of 19 I'm moving to my second apartment. Like that's crazy to me. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, turn your post notifications, that way you get notified every time I upload a new video. Love you guys.